Right, like I say, plans change as always. I'm supposed to be doing first fix electrics, but because of basically the battens going in, like I say, the other plumber's been in before all this, and obviously the plans changed slightly. He's put the feeds, hot and cold feeds in here that run along there and then obviously back down that way. Well, they're going to hit another batten right away. These ones, obviously, that batten is literally smack bang here, and obviously he's fixed them across the joist. So, good news, plans changed. I've got to sort the plumbing out now, so I'll show you that instead. Oh dear.
Nigel Evans.
Oh, this is rubbish. This is annoying now.
Deep breaths, mate, deep breaths.
Trying.
Well, these arches now are a bit of a pain in the backside. Yes. I know you're enjoying them, but they're not much fun to work with.
Oh, right, okay. Sorry. Burn it.
Did you not like how I changed it to smooth radio? I literally changed it to smooth radio, then turned it straight off.
You must have turned it off too quick. No, it just came over the planet rockers. I said to Mike earlier, I don't think it's going to last all day. I've had my daily quota for the month.
I don't know, you did alright yesterday, didn't you? You know when you was outside, out the front, yesterday, looking to the golf or whatever. And I came in playing Rossington, I was like, way too early to press it.
Should I hold the hand button?
I was like, I literally did go like this, I was like, hang it a little bit too soon.
Might be a bit harsh.
Yeah.
Shutting this down.
Yeah, I've lasted too long with Planet Rock on. It's got to go. All of 3 minutes. Right, that's the plumbing done. That was a bit of a faff, that was, to be fair. So I've had to extend that, notch that up into there to get it above all these. But yeah, it's turned into a bit of a pig, to be fair. Right, so I ran that across there. I'm gonna jump up here with Shawnee. So yeah, so run that all the way through. So that's obviously where the original position was, down here. Oh, that's how far I've had to move it, because there's another load of battens going on, but we're not putting those on just yet. And then that runs obviously back down that way. So I can get on with some electrical work now, which will be good. Bit of chasing. a statement you just made, Shawnee?
I said, if I'm here till 8 o'clock, Lewis and Keen are here with me.
Okay.
They better hurry up and clean their bricks.
So I think that's the gist of it, isn't it? They've got to pull the finger out and get the bricks done. Exactly, I think they're lying down on the lawn somewhere. I think that's exactly it. Customers are concerned about them, but I think they're really having a snooze. Right, obviously as you get the gist of this, do the chasing, obviously at the laser level, get these chopped in, so they're obviously in line. Obviously, we use the Festool grinder, which is obviously designed for doing this with chaser. Put your channels in, because we find with obviously old plaster, if you don't do that, it just falls off the walls as you're chasing it. Obviously, you just need to chase enough to get obviously your capping on, which is alright. I know you don't have to use it, but it's better. As long as it's underneath the brickwork, or the plaster, sorry, then that'll do. So I've got quite a few more to do, so I will catch you once I've done those, because it's boring as hell. Hello, right, coming to the end of the today. Right, all the first fix on this side, all the capping's gone on. It's been brought to my attention by Sean that I say obviously a hell of a lot, so that I apologise for, so that's a shout out to you, Shawnee. So obviously all the capping's on this side, because this is these are going to get bonded in and then skimmed over. Lads have missed some wallpaper, that's got to come off. This wall here is going to be dot and dab, so I've now got the plan for the lighting, which way how that's going to be now. Lewis has been cutting lots of holes and making a mess out onto the driveway today, because that's all, like I say, the trench is all going to go in all the way back up to there. So yeah, so he's been pretty much on the still saw all day. Yeah, another beautiful day, to be fair, really nice and sunny, which is nice. But yeah, if you like the videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the corners, follow us on Instagram, yeah, and I shall catch you on the next one. Cheers.